In this quick video, I am going to show you how to make presentation in Canva with animation. So first of all, log in on Canva using your account, and here we will see this interface. Tap on presentation to start creating your presentation, and under it firstly we need to insert the object, image or text which we want to animate on our presentation. So I have an image. So for that, to upload it, we need to go to the upload section from this left panel, and now drag and drop your image on your slide or your page. So I just want to insert it here, and then I also want to add a text for my presentation. For that, again go to the left panel, under it go to the text, and now click on add text box. Increase the size of your text if you want it, and now you can also rename anything here. I just want to name it LearnLite Express, which is my channel name. And now after that I want to position it. So for that, click on this position icon and then drag the text on the bottom. If you want to adjust any customization for your text, then while selecting your text you will see bunch of options on the top panel. So if I want to bold it, then select the bold option, but before that make sure to select all of your text, then hit bold, and then your text will be bolded. You can also change the color from here. And now to animate anything, firstly we need to select that thing. So if you want to animate your text, then firstly select your text, and then you will see animate option. If you want to animate multiple things at once, then for that select your first thing, then while holding your shift key we need to select the different object just like this. And now you can see my image and text, both layers are now selected, and to animate them we need to go to the animate option from the top panel, and then we'll see bunch of animations on the left panel. You can select any animation from here, you can hover over it, and then the animation preview will be shown on your presentation page. And also you can choose to animate on your entry, on or your exit. If you want an entry animation, then select on enter from here and choose any animation from for your objects. So I'm just selecting sleek animation from here, and also you can choose to go with exit animation as well, which is on exit, and then select any animation for your exit. So I'm just selecting this one. And if you want to animate both of your entry and exit, then go to the page section from the animate tab, and under it select both, and after that select any animation for your entry and exit. I'm just selecting pan from here and then choose animate both, then the entry and exit will be animated for your slide. Also make sure to check mark this option which is appear on screen. So if you check mark it, then when you click on your slide while presenting your slideshow, the object and text will be appear on your screen with an animation. So to show it, we need to click on present, and under it we need to select present full screen, and then click on present. If I click anywhere here, the first image will come with an animation. If I click again, then the text will come with an animation. Now if I click again, then the slide will change and the image will be gone with an animation as well, because I have set the animation for both entry and exit. So this is the complete process to animate objects or text in Canva. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.